Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys some tips and tricks and products to revive your dry damaged hair. And maybe your hair is so kind of not having that gloss, or it's not having that bounce look, or it's not having that shine look. That's the right time to give it a total cure, like a total restoration. All right guys, if you see my face for the first time, welcome to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Alright guys, like I said, I'll be sharing with you guys some product that I use to restore back my hair in the case that my hair is falling out. Maybe you're having that kind of a split end, or in single, or just pieces, or your hair it's not having that glow look, it's not having that shine, or it's not having that bounce look. Then you know it's the right time to give it a massage. All right guys, this product I'll be sharing with you guys, they are products you can get from the drugstore, the supermarket, which is to say that you can do your hair, take off your hair yourself without going to the salon or frizzer. You can practically do them yourself. So let's go in details and step by step how I take care of my hair, how I restore it back, what and product that I use. Giving your hair a total restoration, it's a process that you first have to start from washing your hair, which is using a shampoo. That I have some few shampoos here. It's a lot, not few though, but okay, let me just quickly show you guys the shampoos that I use. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just quickly just show them to you guys. This is the Garnier, and this is the Morocco Argan, and this is the Soes. The Pantene one. I don't know if you can see that. All right. So what I do use is I just take one from all this, maybe a little. This is shampoo. You don't need a lot. I just take from then, but necessarily once it's a repair, because I need to repair my hair. And this is a moisturizer that having that glance look, or rather this is a Brazilian paraffin, which gives you that smooth look, or rather you can just take from this. All the same, I do take from 2 or 3 from this, just not so much. Just take and wash them off quickly. Just wash them off with a lukewarm, and see through that the water you're washing is kind of clear. Then you know it's clean and ready to get it get it conditioned. So I'll still be showing you guys what I use as a conditioner. Okay, most of the product I do use, I have them in conditioner and in a shampoo. So this is also a conditioner from the same shampoo, the Brazilian Paraffin smooth one. I don't know if you can see it guys. And I also have this Garnier, and I also have this, the Soes, the shine one. It's a conditioner. And also I have the Pantene. This is also the Pantene repair conditioner. So what I do is I take a generous amount of this. This time it's not just a little like the shampoo. You're gonna take a generous amount and soak them into your hair. Like I do take about 4 of these. Just take and get it well massaged. So what I do, where the magic come guys, I am gonna leave it for 3 days wrapped in a foil paper and a nylon paper. Yes, that's where the magic happens. You have to leave your hair really conditioned and massaged while there's still water. You don't have to dry it. Let it sink in for 3 days. So after 3 days, I am gonna wash it off, like wash off extremely cold guys. All right, extremely cold as possible you can get. Just get it washed, and do not wash all totally away that condition. I will explain that further. Just leave a little amount just to see that it's not running white like a watercolor. Then what I do, the next step I use a mask. A mask help you to get that kind of a easy baby hair, or kind of soft hair, if that makes sense. That's soft and kind of fluffy. I know it's not fluffy, but very soft texture. And masks help you to give you a total restore, and just it's all a process, like I said. So I do use this L'Oreal This is a L'Oreal oil mask. I will leave it for 5 to approximately 10 minutes. It's open. This is not a conditioner. And then I'll wash. Before I wash, guys, I'm gonna comb it because this time I have not combed when I did apply my conditioner. The reason for this is you want to allow your hair to get really soft and conditioned, like not just because when you go directly from the beginning just combing it, you're going to cut your hair. So you want to allow your hair to have that soft and very soft texture before you can comb. And when you want to comb, guys, do not use a rat comb. You want to use a very big comb that is kind of a hand finger through. That's what you use. And this time I would just wash away after 5 to 10 minutes, approximately combed, and it's very soft. You understand the feeling that you understand when it's very soft, like you understand this feeling I'm saying, and you just wash it away as well, not all totally, with extremely cold water. So after that, guys, the next thing I would do, because that's leave-in that I said conditioning, because most products don't really have a leave-in condition. So what I normally do, I will go in with a leave-in conditioner. I use this L'Oreal leave-in conditioner, guys. I don't know if you can see. Let's see what you can see. All right, or this e.t.c.i, this is another brand, a leave-in conditioner that I use. I would just take a normal amount that it's okay for you, not so. Something just fell down. So I would just take a little amount that's okay for me, and I would just massage in and just use a comb through, easy, quick one, and I would just lay it on the floor to just hair dry. Guys, do not dry your hair immediately because that would just damage and break your hair. So you want to just leave it hair dry. That would just do. The next day is already dry. So after drying, you want to style your hair, which is the next stage. Before you straighten your hair after it's dry, you want to straighten and style it. You want to use a heat protector. So the heat protector that I normally use is one of these two. Is that the John Frieda, or I don't know if you can see it, guys, or the L'Oreal one. They have a heat protector of about 330, so it's strong enough anyway. So you just first spray it on your hair to protect that heat that you're going to against your hair, because heat do destroy your hair. So after all that straightening and all that, so you want to apply oil. So I do apply these two types of oil is what I use. This is the same Argan Moroccan oil, or as well I use this from the Schwarzkopf. I don't know if you can see it from the Schwarzkopf. These are the two types of oil that I use. And when applying an oil into your hair, you want to use a little amount, because when you use too much oil, I will talk about that in a few minutes. But anyways, you already have all these things. The moisturizing, shampoo, the condition, oil is already synced in. You have a lot of things going on that has given it that balance and every other shine and everything, but you just want to just give it a glance, a little glance, because of after straightening and everything. So you want to add a little. I prefer this more because it's very lightweight, but this has a very thick consistency, so I always go for this. So you just want to add, do not put it just round, just massage it in, and then you are good to go. And guys, there's something else I want to just point out. In the case that maybe in the day or any other thing, you want to get your hair, maybe it's dry, you don't like the look, you want to get it maybe like conditioned, I do use, it's almost gone, guys, I'm almost running out. Anyway, I do use this Schwarzkopf. It's an express leave-in conditioner. You can use this as well to just spray into your hair on a daily look, that you don't want to go through all this process before. I mean, if you can go with it that moment or that time within the range, you can just use this. I do really recommend this. All right, guys, that is all. Let me just quickly point out why you do not need too much oil. The case is this, that too much oil actually damage your hair, in the sense that it doesn't allow your hair to have a breath, like having that natural hair to breathe into your hair. When it's too much oil, because I do really realize that a lot of people do apply oil every day, that it's not going to have that bouncy look or having that shine look. It's giving your hair crease. The more your hair have that a lot of crease, the more it's going to look kind of easy, kind of, I don't know how to put it, but you don't have any hair going through. It's going to be so stiff, let me put it that way. You don't have that bounce or any of that thing going on. It's just so like crease, like going on. So you want to minimize the amount of oil you're applying to your hair. Do not, I mean you don't need to add oil every day because you already did a general cleanup. All right guys, this is practically all what I do. All the process and the items, the product I use to restore my hair to, like when you see my hair bouncing, my hair do literally stay for weeks, like weeks without washing or condition. This hair has been taken care of like a month, let me just say. I know it's a week, but you don't wait always, but this hair will stay. When you do this process, it's literally going to stay for weeks and weeks without touching. So this is practically how I take care of my hair without going to the frizzy or the salon. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so you don't miss any upload. That when I upload, you will be notified. All right guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.